Let me wish every one of you, or one of us that are here, a very fruitful and prosperous new year. This is because every decision that we have taken, it is not born out of fear, but because we have the interests of our people. And we have respect for elders. The President requested that we do certain things, in as much as it might not be very comfortable with everyone that is here. But it's the place of the leader to say, let us go along with it. Because if we don't have peace in the states, there won't be that meaningful development that we desire. So I'm appealing to everyone. Let us embrace the peace. We need this peace because our intention for our state is not because of our own personal interests. It's for the interests of everyone, the interests of the development of our state. So when we are faced with this type of situation, we consider the actions and reactions. Who is going to suffer? Fubara will not suffer. I can assure you that. But 1 million supporters will suffer. So those decisions are decisions we took because we want you to still be afloat. We want you to see me as your governor and be happy. Banquet to show that the government is alive. I want to leave you with only this message. We will not disappoint you. We also will not be involved in any dirty fighting, because we know that we are going to be the losers. Therefore, whatever it will take, as seen in our decisions. Yesterday, a lot of you were worried. Why would the speaker? It's to tell you what we can do for peace. It's not about what we want to gain. It's not about the power we want to express or exercise. But at the end of the day, what are we leaving for our people? So we took those decisions not out of fear, but because at the end of the day, when we leave here, we want people to remember us don't remember us with fear. Remember us in our simplicity. Remember us in our care. Remember us that we are people who are prepared to give in anything for the interest of our dear state. Yesterday, a lot of you were worried. Why would the speaker? It's to tell you what we can do for peace. It's not about what we want to gain. It's not about the power we want to exercise. But at the end of the day, what are we leaving for our people? (2024) is for all of us. If I could survive, you that you don't have any problem now. You will survive better than me. So I'm wishing every one of us here a very fruitful and prosperous 2024, to the glory of God. Thank you, and may God bless you all.
And blue signifies fruitfulness, richness, representing the rich resources of the Rivers people. And then we have white. White signifies peace and hope. And that is one thing the governor of every state hampers on every day. So today and this evening, before the case is being passed by His Excellency and other dignitaries, I would like each and every one of us to please spell the word hope. And when we are done, the cake will be cut. Now let's go. Please repeat after me. H